All right, we are working on 90% efficient furnace on propane, and it's got an intermittent issue. If I can find the venting, it's got a intermittent pressure switch issue. I ain't vented right. Here, let's throw all our exhaust gas down to our intake. Well, let's go in and see what we got. Okay, this is, let's see, what is this? An older York Luxair. It's a Luxair 9. And I was getting a code 3, which was stuck open pressure switch. So let's peek in here. Okay, I can see that port's clear, that's moving. Okay, let me get that burner door off. Oh, let me get the burner door off here. It's never been off. Those burners are shot. Burners are totally freaking rusted. How do I get those out of there? Oh boy. Yeah, I think I gotta take the whole freaking burner box off to get the burners out of there. Heat exchanger doesn't look happy neither. What is making noise? Let's see what it does without the burner door on. See, now it lights up. See, it makes that pressure switch instantly. Now it wants to do it. Now it wants to work every time. Hate intermittent pressure switch issues. There it goes, 3. Now it's going to light up. Oh. See, now it's and now it made. I'm gonna have to go get a camera. I gotta inspect this heat exchanger. Okay, I got the manometer hooked up. Let's see, what the heck is this switch supposed to do? It's a 1-inch switch, so I should have way more than that. Dummy me. Burner box. It would help to hook it up right. So 1.7. Still showing a pressure switch issue because or a pressure switch code because I got the hoses off, but between the two I'm pulling 1.7. Pulling 1.7, it should make that switch. So I'm going to condemn that switch. Needs new burners. To get the burners out of there, you got to pull the whole box. Disaster. We'll do a heat exchanger inspection and do that in a second here. Well, did the heat exchanger inspection. I went to put the limit back in and the whole limit cracked, so I got to get a new limit for it. It needs a pressure switch. I'm pulling 1.7, that switch makes it 1.0, so that switch is bad. The burners are rusted to crap. So we're gonna have to get some parts. Get this thing cleaned up. There's a lot of garbage at the bottom of this thing. It's a propane furnace. So strap's got to be clean, flame sensor's got to be clean, so I'm going to get some parts and come back, but it ain't going to be today. It's running intermittently, so we'll just just leave it at that right now. And then when we come back, we'll have to take everything apart, get into this thing. But that's it for this one right now. And I'll see you on the next one.